Hello everyone, if you don't know how to use WhatsApp web, like how to connect your WhatsApp to your laptop, I will tell you how to do it, right? You do not have to scan through UPI QR code, alright? So I'll tell you two ways to do it, and you have to scan the code that will be visible on your laptop, right? On WhatsApp web. There are two ways to scan. One is that you go to the settings area, and besides the name option there is a scanner option, right? Now there are two options. One is that your barcode, and the other is scan code. You click on the scan code, and when the green line will come below the scan code, now you can scan your WhatsApp QR code from your WhatsApp. The other way is to click on three dots and click on linked devices. So all the devices that are linked will be shown here. Right now nothing is shown. You click on link a device and you will get your camera on. The QR code is loading right now. So we're going to scan it from our phone itself. You can add on the flashlight on the right icon, right? Once the QR code is scanned, you will get this option, device login code detected. You click on continue now, and all your WhatsApp chats, everything will come on the screen of your laptop, right? So right now it is linking your WhatsApp to the other device, which is your laptop, which you just scanned it for, right? And now it will be shown on your linked device. In some situations it will take time because the phone chat takes time to transfer it because of the memory, the load it has of data, right? And you can also use your phone number instead to link your WhatsApp with your laptop. In some other video we will cover this also. Now that the laptop is connected with the WhatsApp, it is mentioned here, previously it was empty, the link devices. So now you have to check your laptop WhatsApp web and let the chats load. Now I've added screen recording of my laptop. See, now it is loading my chats. Once it is done, the whole screen that I see on my mobile of WhatsApp will be visible on my WhatsApp web on laptop. So this is how we do it. We can do anything what we want. This I'll tell you in another video how you handle your WhatsApp web. See you in the next video. Tada!